dear friends. In today's video we'll talk about sumif function. So how sumif function works and how will you implement it in your Excel sheet. So let's get started. Let's say I have a student whose marks in different subjects are given here. In English he scored 45, in Urdu he scored 59, and so on. So I am now wanting to add the sums of the marks which are greater than 33. So the passing criteria, let's say these marks are out of 100, so the passing criteria is 33. So I want to add these numbers without adding this 30, 29 and 25. Without adding these numbers, I want to add the subject numbers which are greater than 33. So how will I use the sumif function to add these numbers? So I am writing here equals. I am starting the bracket start. I am writing sumif function. Now I start the bracket. Now it asks me the range. So what is the range? The range is starting from here till here. From B2 to B8, these column cells are my range. I am now starting the writing this comma. Now what will be the criteria? So I am starting double dash, and I want to add the numbers which are greater than 33. So I am pressing greater than 33 and I am closing it, and then I close the brackets. So I press enter. So this is how you can use the sumif function. Here I used this function, that sumif this range is greater than 33. The cells which are greater than 33, add these cells. Now if I want to add the numbers which are less than 33, for example this 30, 29 and 25, I want to add these numbers separately. So I will press equals sumif break start. I am choosing this range. Now I'll give my criteria. What is my criteria? Less than. If these cells are less than 33, add these numbers, the cells which are less than 33. I am pressing enter. So the numbers are the cells which having score less than 33, their sum will be 84. So this is how you can use the sumif function. I look at here once again. Sumif this range B2 to B8 is less than 33, so it will add the cells which are having values less than 33. Thank you for watching.